The sound of an electric bell dies slowly when air is slowly pumped out from a bottle because A. Sound cannot pass through the bottle. B. Sound can pass through a vacuum. C. Sound needs a material medium. D. The wavelength of sound becomes greater in the bottle. So you have a scenario here where you have let's say you have a bottle. You have a bottle with an electric bell, okay, within it. With an electric bell within the bottle. And then when you strike the electric bell, the sound, is propagated. But however, when you pump the air out of it, okay, when air is slowly pumped out from the bottle, the sound of the electric bell dies slowly. So we are asked why this phenomenon. Now, one key feature of sound or sound wave is that sound cannot be propagated through vacuum. Okay, sound cannot be propagated through vacuum. Now this means that sound requires a medium of propagation. Okay, so sound requires a medium of propagation. Now, when you take out the air from this bottle, what happens is that there is no more medium for the sound wave to be propagated. Therefore, the sound of the bell will now die slowly. So the answer to this question is C. Sound needs a material medium. Sound needs a material medium to be propagated. So since the material medium, which is air in this case, has been removed, you cannot hear the sound. The sound cannot be propagated. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.